Sunita Williams is one of the most renowned astronauts in the world. Sunita Williams was born on September 19, 1965, in Ohio, USA. She pursued a degree in physical science from the U.S. Naval University and then also earned a master's degree in engineering management. She was also appointed as the commander of the ISS during Expedition 33. She also holds various medals like the Padma Bhushan Award. Sunita Williams holds the longest record in spacewalk missions. She spent over 300 days in space across multiple missions. She became the second woman of Indian origin to travel to space, following the footsteps of Kalpana Chawla. Sunita Williams has completed 7 spacewalks, spending more than 50 hours outside her spacecraft for repairs and experiments. In 2025, she returned to Earth after spending 9 months in space due to delays with Boeing's Starliner spacecraft. Sunita Williams survived her extended 9-month mission in space on the International Space Station, ISS, thanks to a combination of pre-packaged meals, recycled water, and a rigorous exercise routine to combat the effects of microgravity, along with the support of the ISS's life support systems. Astronauts receive constant support and guidance from ground control, who monitor their health and well-being. Sunita Williams is a role model for aspiring astronauts worldwide. Her story teaches us that with hard work, courage, and determination, we can achieve anything, even reaching space. Her journey inspires young minds to follow their dreams and work with determination.